Hi everyone, and now we will go with the low lung. From the forward, right? How we do step the right foot back from here. We try to square the distance big enough to square the right heel to left, to right heel to right knee, 90 degrees, and the hands still firmly. Don't rest your chest to the knee. Try to press down and open the chest. Yes, from here you correct way. Try to open the chest like this. Don't rest like this. And try to also open more the chest. Yes. Yes. This is how we do the side lung, low lung, correct way. Try to square and firmly, stay firmly, and the chest above. Don't rest the chest on the thigh. Yes. And go to the mountain pose. Also very important to remember. I share with you in next video.